This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brian and Nancy Stoliker. Welcome to the popular Falling Waters Beach Resort and this updated, first floor, very well maintained 2-bedroom/2-bath condo. Bright, open, split floor plan is very comfortable and allows privacy for you and your guests. The dining/living area is very spacious and extends out to your 300 square feet lanai, where the new plexi-glass allows you to enjoy the AC on those hot summer days, or open up for a wonderful breeze on a cool day. This home features 17.5 by 17.5 neutral tile on a diagonal though all living areas, plantation shutters, breakfast area and kitchen, breakfast bar, laundry room, water view, 5 ceiling fans, extra lighting, electric shutters in back, newer washer and dryer, and for peace of mind and comfort, a new AC unit and hot water heater, 2019. An additional plus is the 1-car detached garage with new shelving and painted concrete floor. This community is very active and friendly and is known for its famous resort-style lazy river pool. Other amenities include clubhouse, tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard and bocce, plus community events. Great location near restaurants and shopping. Just a short distance to gorgeous downtown Naples and Marco Island's beautiful Crescent Beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian and Nancy Stoliker at 239-207-1187.